What up, you guys? Your boy, man. We're back with another POV drive. It's a little cloudy, but I did tell you guys that your boy Sticks, man, is back on the grind. I'm gonna be trying to upload as much as possible, bro. So you know what's crazy? I've actually been playing this game on my phone. Actually, I can really quickly show you guys. I've been playing this game on my phone where I'm like a YouTuber. I don't know, am I weird because I have that? But look, so I have this app on my phone and I'm a YouTuber, and on this game I have 6.16 billion subscribers, and I have 8.8 quadrillion money amount, dollars. So I don't know, but one thing I noticed from that game that I'm like, bro, maybe that's just what I need to do on my YouTube channel as well, bro. He'll be vlogging and recording like 24/7, bro. And the more you record, the more you post and all of that thing, the higher your money and your subscribers and all of that stuff gets, and the more consistent too. So I was like, bro, maybe that's what I'm missing, bro. Maybe I just need to upload a lot, upload consistently. And I know that that's a big point, a big key when it comes to making videos. So maybe that's just what I need to do. So that's why I'm dead ass about to record OD for you guys, man. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Right now we have like 88. Oh, this is kind of nuts. We have 88% of like people who view me aren't subscribed, bro. It's kind of crazy. Only 12%. I get if it's like 70-30 or 60-40, okay, but 88, bro, like, damn, people really just be watching and not subscribing, bro. It does not hurt to just hit the subscribe button for your boy, man. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see me upload a lot more consistently and a lot more frequently. So yeah, man, back in the 440,000, feeling good. We got some gas. Yeah, it's not sunny out right now. I mean, it is 7:10, and it looks like the rest of the week is gonna be raining, so expect a POV drive in the rain sometime this week. Yeah, bro, so just gonna try to upload as much as I can for you guys, man. So man, hope you guys do enjoy the drive though. We're gonna be going to my softball game. We are in the playoffs right now, so I don't know if it's a one and done. I think it is, so that's where we headed right now. Game is at 7:30. Says I get there at 7:28. Your boy Sticks is never on time when it comes to these things, man. So yeah, let's go ahead and put the car in sport. And I need to switch lanes before I hit a bump that be over here, bro. Oh yeah, there it is. I think it is. But anyway, put the car in sport, have some fun with it, man. There's a Tesla that is wrapped right here. Okay, should we chase this little Tesla around, man? Give you guys some content, bro. Driving with a Tesla, why not? Out, but hey, we're in a 440,000. They got the big body. Hold on, I need to put my back windows up a little bit more just so I don't hear that much wind. But yeah, how you guys doing though? I hope you guys are good. I've been trying to go to a like a Cars and Coffee, but I just don't know of any. If you guys know of any, let me know, comment below. And yeah, I'll probably pull up, bro. I've been trying to go to a couple of them with the boys, A-Man and JD, but we really haven't found any, really, So what would you guys rate that wrap though? It's like a teal kind of color. What do you guys think about it? It's all right. There's probably a girl in that thing. Maybe not. Girls, I don't think drive that crazy or that fast. Gotta be on the lookout for some cops though, because they do be hiding around here. And look, there's a Corvette up at the front of the Tesla, and then there's a BMW 5 Series next to it, blue one. Okay, Tesla, you gotta move on, gang. It's not an M5 though. I think this is like a 530, something like that. This Tesla not moving no more. What's up, bro? What's up? I was trying to be with her. I was trying to caught up with you, but you trolling right now. You're not with it. You're not with it. I mean, there is a lot of traffic, but it's all right. Let's go ahead and put it in manual. Have some fun with it in manual. I'm on him right now, but it's not much. There's nothing we can do. As you guys can see, there's literally cars on the left lane as well. We can't really go anywhere. And every time I do want to switch lane, there's a car right next to me in my blind spot. Look at it right there. Sounds good. Let me put my window down a little bit for a sec so you guys can hear the car even better. This road is awful. Yeesh. Oh my goodness, bro. Even with the new suspension, can't handle these roads, bro. Sure, you look over your shoulder always, because sometimes, bro, even the car be messing up. Alright, who's driving that test? Let me see. I don't even know, I can't tell. Oh well. We're gonna go find another another friend to do it. Car feels amazing as always. You guys know this car is just, you know, very, very nice. I did end up doing so I actually like cleaned my steering wheel today, and then I put some leather conditioning, and like it made it even a little rougher but more smooth, if you guys, you know, understand what I'm saying. But I'm gonna keep putting some leather conditioning, keep cleaning it, because so I can kind of, you know, protect it from the sun and whatnot. So make sure if you guys have a car and it's leather, bro, make sure you be cleaning your leather and putting some leather conditioning, especially if you live in a hot place, because the sun, bro, will damage everything, bro. So make sure you're protecting it as much as you can so it can last you as long as possible. A little long shift. Woof. Yes, sir. Let's go on this lane, bro. These people are playing too much. Got a Corvette over here. Let's go by the Corvette. Maybe he wants to do something. Have a little fun, safely, of course. How do you guys feel about Corvettes, though? It's not really my style. I feel like that was such a like a Grand Theft Auto and like Need for Speed era, bruh. He looked in my car, but he didn't really, not doing that. He's cruising, he's chilling right now. We over here trying not to chill, but everybody's chilling today. Chilling. Another dose, downshift in the tunnel, ready? Yeah. Maybe this big body van wanna go. Damn, it is hot in here though. Let me put my AC on for a little bit. But yeah, bro, just enjoying the car, man, as much as I can. And yeah, just enjoy it, bro. Stop babying the cars, bro. The cars are meant to be driven. And if you're gonna baby it, bro, I mean, you're just not enjoying the car to its full potential, bro. You can enjoy it and baby it at the same time, you know. You don't have to be wilding 24/7, but you can definitely drive the car like it's supposed to be, or you know how most people would want to drive it. Only time I don't be pushing this car crazy is like when I'm trying to save gas, bro. That's literally the only time. Other than that, bro, I really don't care. At first, when I first got this car, you guys, I used to care about like freaking bumps. I still kind of do, but not as much, bro. Like before, I used to get tight. Like every time I used to hit a bumper, I used to almost cry. But now, bro, it's like, bro, it's what it is. It's like you can't really do anything about it. You know what I mean? Uh-oh. So my car just threw me a freaking chase. I never know how to say that. It just put me in comfort. I can go in sport transmission. I think every time it does that sometimes, bro. I don't know. Maybe I just like messed up what's it called? A shift, and then it does that sometimes, especially when I'm hitting a lot of bumps. It does. I don't know. This is probably the third time since I've had the car that has done that to me, so I don't really know what it is, to be honest. But yep, I can't go. Can I even go into sport? No, I can't go into sport. It got me in comfort. Can I go into eco? Yeah, I can't go anywhere but bought this. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna be driving in comfort. Don't get me wrong, we can still have some fun in comfort because the car is not, it's not like it's in limp mode or anything. It's just that it doesn't let me go in sport for some odd reason. I don't know why, but yeah. That's crazy. Just as I was talking about, you know, babying the car, it threw me a chassis. Is it chassis? Chassis. I think that's what you say. Chassis malfunction. Don't know what that means. If you know, you tell me. But I don't know. I don't know, buckaroo. It's all good though, my boy. We're making up some time though, I ain't gonna lie to you. Because before it said we took 2 minutes off, but it's something. Before it said we got there at 7:28, now it says we get there at 7:26. So it's making up some time right now. Which is exactly what I needed, because your boy Sticks is never on time. Last time when the car did this to me, all I had to do was turn it off and on, and then it went away. So I don't know, maybe I connect the computer to it now. Oh shoot, I'm gonna connect my little computer to it. I'm not gonna take it off and see what it says, but it won't tell me, because once I turn the car off and on, it goes away. So I don't know, me no know. What kind of Toyota is this in front of me? I never seen that car. Toyota something. Oh, it's electric. What's up with all these electric cars, man? Everybody's really switching over, man. Where's the gas people at? Everybody said, nah, man, I'm tired of paying gas. I'd rather pay electricity. Probably cheaper, too. Oh, these bumps is just awful, I ain't gonna lie. Car's still good, though. I could pull over and turn it off and on, but it's alright. We'll just go like this until we get a little bit closer, where there probably will be a red light or something, and I'll turn it off and on, and should be back. Look at this guy, he just stayed in that lane. Woo! Sounds good though still. Switch lanes, bro. You try to bully me in that big thing? You try to bully me, boy? Boy driving with no hands. We actually got here quite fast, I'm not gonna lie. And we weren't even speeding, bro. Like, cause you know that the speed limit in Mexico, bro, is like way different than the one in New York, bro. I feel like in New York, it's like so slow. Mexico, you drive so fast, bro. You get to places real quick, and there's not as much traffic. But yeah, we got here pretty quick. We only got like 5 minutes left. Just gonna, I'll take it, you know. I do gotta get on this left lane though. Brakes are good though. Alright, I gotta get over here, man. People be really just chilling, bro. Like, you only get those a couple people who drive kind of nuts, but everybody else really be chilling. If anything, a lot of people drive too slow, and I think that's what causes even more and more traffic. But besides that, people really just be cruising. I'm honestly one of those first people that, like, I really just be cruising most of the time, unless I'm like I tell you guys, unless I'm like doing a video or of some sort, then that's when I don't cruise as much. But besides that, I'm still always pretty much just chilling, bro. Like, look at this guy with his turning signal and not turning into anywhere. You know, you get those kind of people sometimes. Who is it? Some lady. She's eating her steering wheel right now. I'm outside in an AMG. Wait, scratch that. I'm outside in a BMW for 40,000. Driving like a grandma, but still having fun with it. Yeah, having fun with it. I hate people that get in a turning lane but keep going straight. Like, what are you doing? I hate people that get in a turning lane but keep going straight, and I also hate people that get in the turning lane and don't turn and wait till like the green light even though you can't turn right on red. It's like, bruh, you know? But yeah, man, every time I drive past here, there's always mad people, bro. Look, people really be out here in the park. The parents are watching their kids playing soccer or practicing, and then there's people running around the track, walking around the track, people on bikes, people on scooters, people on everything. And then you got people like me just talking about them and driving a 440,000, man. All right, so since we're in a red light, watch, I'm gonna turn the car off and I'm gonna turn it on, and then watch. Hold on, don't change though. I'm gonna turn the car. Let me see if this if it works. Okay, turn the car off. Yeah, so now I turned it off. Let's see if it throws it right away. Oh shoot, I'm still in park. Oh, as you guys can see, it did take off my let me see. Yeah, no notifications. Did take it off, and I bet you I can't go in sport now. No, we'll leave it in sport. Swear not. Yeah. Oh, my boy Jammy. Boy Jammy. Yes, sir. We're basically almost here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Somebody in a Forest Series coming right next to me right now. 440,000. Gee, I actually haven't seen a 440,000 in gray in like ever. I always see them in black. Oh yeah, it's on just like mine. I only see them in black, white, blue. That's it, really. Barely see them in that, especially in that gray. Yeah, we're here. We're here at the field. Chilling like a villain. All right, well guys, that's gonna be it for your boy Stakes, man. Hey guys, stay tuned for more content, bro. I'm gonna be uploading a lot more, man. Like I said, make sure you guys subscribe. Appreciate you guys, love you guys so much. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Peace.